Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some fashion trends which are going all over the internet, and I have tried combining these trends together and sharing it with you all in this video. So if you're someone interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So starting off with the very first fashion trend, that is colors, and in colors lavender color is like on the top list. It was in even last year and right now also it is a lot trendy. So like lavender tops, lavender pants, lavender skirts, lavender crop tops, all that, like anything in lavender would look really great because these are some pastel tones which are like very summer appropriate. The second shade of pastel is the powder blue color, and that is my personal favorite because वो कितना अच्छा दिखता है, like you know, it is so eye pleasing, and I have been wanting to get something in this color since a really long time, but I haven't got anything yet, but I hope I get at least something in future. So that's the second color. The third shade is a shade of green. I exactly don't know that name, but I think it is sage green. So I'm not a person who loves wearing green, but this is something my type. I would definitely wear something in this color, and this color is something which I feel you can even wear it in daytimes as well as you can create like looks for the night time also. And the fourth color which I would like to include is not a pastel shade, but it is like a hot pink color, which is also known as magenta pink or a fuchsia pink. And I even have like two pieces, like two things in this color, and that color looks bomb. Like usko koi comparison hi nahi hai, and as color blocking is like, you know, something which is going all over the internet. So like color blocking can include two darker shades, two lighter shades, or one dark, one light shade. So you can like mix and match these colors and they would look really great. So the next color which I want to include is like the earthy tone, which is like a proper brown color, a dark brown. And as I said, color blocking is very much in. So dark brown and beige, like light beige plus cream color are some of the fashion trendy colors which are like very much in for this summer. So that was it for the colors. Now let's move on to the second trend, which is shoulder bags. And this trend is my personal favorite because पहले मुझे बैग्स तो बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती थी, बट जब से शोल्डर बैग का ट्रेंड आया है, आई हैव बीन लाइक continuously investing in like 1 or 2 bags, and I in total have like 5 bags. So invest in like basic colors, black, white, या कोई भी एक vibrant color में भी आप अगर invest करो तो that would be great. It's not like you should have each and every color with you, but कोई भी एक basic color भी रहा तो you can style it in multiple ways, as well as if you're planning to shop. So these bags, like the shoulder bags from Zara, H&M, are quite on expensive side, but on Instagram there are a lot of thrift stores which sell these bags under 1000 rupees, which is really great. So you can check them out. And if you're planning to like shop in the upcoming days, then try investing in such pieces because you will like upgrade your wardrobe and you will have some trendy pieces, so you can style them in different ways and have your wardrobe updated. So the next trend that I want to talk is about crop top. I was not at all a crop top person, but as soon as the crop top trends has started, like crop tops मतलब वो belly वाले नहीं, but which are like proper tube types of tops and which are fitted, body hugging, like they look so good. And even if you are not comfortable wearing them as it is, you can even wear them with a shirt, or you can layer them with denim jackets, crop jackets, and they would look really great. Like imagine an outfit you're wearing a crop top with some flared denims, and it will look so good. So this brings us to the next point, that is flared pants. Not in the basic colors like black and white, वो तो चाहिए ही चाहिए अपने पास, but pastel shades में भी बहुत अच्छे दिखते हैं. And even if you invest in like a basic white one, that would help you like with all the lavender shades that you have in your wardrobe. So invest in a good flare pants because it is gonna last you so long and it is gonna look so good. So the next fashion trend that I want to include is shoes. In shoes, chunky shoes तो पिछले साल भी बहुत ज़्यादा trendy थे, and इस साल भी they are all over the internet. So something in chunky shoes like a cream color or a pure white or pure black, or even some plain color like red, yellow will look great. And transparent heels. ऑल्सो एक हील का पैटर्न है जिसका मुझे नाम पता नहीं है, बट इट लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस एंड आई हैव बीन विलिंग टू गेट समथिंग लाइक दिस, बट they are so expensive but they look so good. I think you get this heels in like H&M or Zara and वो कम से कम 4 या 4,500 रुपए की heels है, which I think is a lot for something like this. But if you're someone who loves in investing some trendy pieces, then get your hands on this because these heels are like everywhere. And the next pair of footwear is like transparent heels, which I think everyone should have because when in doubt, wear transparent heels. And actually this is a true statement. Invest in a transparent pair of footwear. Like I'm not telling you to get a heel only, but even if you get like a block heel or even flats, they look really good. So transparent heel is something you should invest in. So the next fashion trend is puff sleeves. If you like love watching fashion videos or if you're someone who loves fashion, then you may have seen हर चीज में puff sleeves is like बस आ ही गया है वो. एंड puff sleeves में पहले it was like बस हल्का सा puff आता था, अब इतना ह्यूज आता है which looks so good and so classy. You don't have to style it in like multiple ways. Even if you wear a puff sleeves top with a black denim, it is gonna look really good. So puff sleeves is something that I think you should definitely try. And the next fashion trend is ruched dresses or top. So this is something which even I have been wanting since really long. पर अभी तक मैंने लिया है. I have taken a skirt and a dress which is from Zara, which is I think a lot expensive, but I think that is totally worth it because it looks so flattering and it gives your body a perfect shape. इसमें मतलब satin fabric में भी वो trend आ गया है, tops में भी आ गया है, dresses में है, skirts में है. So it is like you will find it in any piece of clothing and it looks really good. Like मैं बोल रही हूँ बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. So find something yourself in ruched fabric also. The next fashion style is something which is not my type, but I have recently stepped out of my comfort zone in fashion, and that is open, like एकदम ऐसे खुले but they have like a flared pattern on it. That kind of dresses and they look so good. Like मैंने अभी रिसेंटली ही उसको लिया था. आई हैव 2 of such kind of dresses and they look so good. Like मुझे bodycon dresses ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है. Like my style is bodycon dresses, but nowadays I have been loving those open flared dresses and उसमें भी ruffle वाला जो pattern है which is like so trendy. You will find these dresses in H&M and Zara and like on the expensive side, but there are a lot of websites which sell such kind of dresses in like cheaper prices. So whenever you shop anything trendy, make sure you do a lot of research and then get your hand, because these pieces are something which are on an expensive side but they last you for a longer period of time. And जब तक उसका trend है तब तक तो सच में they are going to last you and they are going to make you look very fashionista. So do a quite research in things and then get your hands. So the last trend which I want to talk is something I haven't tried yet, but I have seen a lot of hacks as well as such kind of tops. So that is midriff flossing. And आपने देखा होगा Instagram पे वो videos आती है, they use the shoelace and create that effect of the shoelace that like ऐसा लगता है कि वो उस top का ही part है, but it is not exactly the part of that top. I hope you get what I'm trying to say, but I have added reference pictures to use so that you get what I'm trying to say. So this is midriff flossing and this also looks so good. Like जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि flared pants है, so these tops are like body hugging. So if you wear that kind of tops with your denims, flared denims, that is gonna look great. And midriff flossing में there are side से वो आया है, backless का भी आया है, criss cross आया है, मतलब उसमें भी बहुत सारे styles है. So that is the last trend which I wanted to talk. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I'm so sorry. I don't think मैंने एकदम अच्छे से आपको ये trends explain किए हैं, but I have added a lot of reference pictures so that they can help you and they can help you upgrade your wardrobe. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.